Hi, this is Rick from Telex, and in this video, I'll show you how to take advantage of Smart Personal Console using your Ipitomy phone system. The way you get to this screen is you would have to log in via a web browser like Explorer or Chrome. You talk to your system administrator. They will give you the credentials for that. Typically, it's your extension number and your password of your voicemail. Once you log in, you'll arrive at this screen which gives you four choices: home, my account, call log, and voicemail. Right now I'm at the home screen, and as you can see, I have received calls and I have voicemail. I'll show you under call log how you can see both received calls and dialed out calls. Your received calls are pretty straightforward. Shows you the date and time and also the phone number, and any phone number with an icon of a phone handset. If I click it, it will allow me to call that number. So we're going to cancel that for now. Same thing with voicemail. I click it and I can call. Now under voicemail, of course you can listen to your voicemails via your telephone and also voicemail to email, but you have this option to play it through your speakers of your telephone, of your computer. Or if you like, you can download it, and if you download it, then at that point you can save it as an attachment and send it via email if you like. All right, so that's under home. Under my account, this is where you have your voicemail settings. Typically, you don't really want to mess around with this. You could turn on and off your attached to email. You could change your email address. Self-explanatory. Under Follow Me, this is where you can enable your phone to ring to a phone number, external, or another extension. Destination is a drop-down. It tells you various choices you have, but typically it's going to either be a external phone number or another extension number. Okay, so we'll just leave that alone for now. You have, you have two other choices: my phone settings and my schedule. Under my phone settings, and this is where your user guide will be helpful to tell you how you can manage programming your speed dial buttons or your one-touch buttons of your telephone as far as customizing. I would have to scroll down so you can see that, and that would be under, it's hard to see, but one of the choices after you have audio settings, SIP, display, you can't see it, but if I'm going to click it, it's going to say expansion module, and you'll see it right after display settings. When you click on that, that's where you'll be able to program your buttons for one-touch speed dial, and again, the user guide will be helpful for that. So let me scroll back up. We won't focus too much on that. You can play around with it, see how it works, but again, refer to your user guide. I'm going to go back to choice. Actually, we're going to still stay under my account, and I just showed you my phone settings. Now I'm going to show you my schedule. Rarely used, but if you like, you can forward your call based on time and day to another extension or to an external phone number. Third choice is your call log. This is all your incoming and outgoing calls. Again, self-explanatory. Time and date, direction, source, destination, duration, status. Any icon with a handset, click the dial, like I showed you in the previous menus. Okay, that's under call log. Finally, your last choice is voicemail. Click on that. And of course, you can play it through your telephone at any time, as I mentioned before. Or if you like, you can play it from the screen as well. And you'll see under the screen, you'll see where it came from, the callback number, the date, the time. You can play it through your speakers, or you can download it. You also have folders where you can save them in. Something you want to play around with to get used to. You also have My Greetings. If they're pre-recorded, this is where you can select. Maybe you're on vacation for the week, or you're unavailable for the day, and this is where you can select those pre-recorded greetings. So that's pretty much it. Those are your 4 choices. And I hope you enjoyed the video.